Not long ago, the idea of small flying machines buzzing around our cities and countryside seemed like something from a science fiction movie. But today, in 2025, these machines, known as drones, are becoming an ordinary and incredibly helpful part of our daily lives. Drones are much more than just toys for taking pictures from high above. They are powerful tools that are changing how we work, how we stay safe, and even how we receive important goods. These unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, can be controlled from the ground, allowing them to go places and do things that are difficult or dangerous for people. They are our new friends in the sky, working hard to make our world better. The importance of drones comes from their amazing ability to perform a wide variety of tasks with great precision and efficiency. Imagine a machine that can look closely at the top of a very tall wind turbine without a person needing to climb it, or one that can deliver life-saving medicine to a remote village in minutes. This is the reality that drones are creating for us. They are equipped with advanced cameras, sensors, and sometimes even robotic arms, which allows them to see, sense, and interact with the world in ways we never thought possible. This technology is not just for big companies, it is helping small communities, farmers, and emergency services every single day. The basic idea behind a drone is simple. It is a flying robot that can be piloted remotely, or fly on its own using a pre-programmed path. What makes them so special in 2025 is how smart they have become. Thanks to artificial intelligence and better batteries, drones can now fly for longer, avoid obstacles by themselves, and understand the information they collect. This intelligence means they can do complicated jobs with very little help from a human operator. From the quiet fields of a farm to the busy site of a building project, drones are providing a new perspective and unlocking new possibilities for progress and safety in our modern world. As we look around us, the presence of these flying helpers is growing steadily. They are becoming essential partners in many different industries, quietly performing jobs that once took a lot of time, money, and human effort. The sound of their propellers is becoming the sound of progress, signaling a future where difficult and dangerous tasks are handled by machines, leaving people free to focus on more creative and important work. The story of drones is just beginning, and they are already proving to be some of the most versatile and valuable innovations of our time, helping us build a smarter, safer, and more connected society for everyone. One of the most exciting ways drones are helping us is by delivering things directly to our homes. Companies now use drones to bring us everything from a hot pizza to important medicine. Think about living in a small town far from a pharmacy. In the past, getting urgent medicine could take a long time. Now, a company like Manna or Red Wing can send a drone that flies directly to your house in a matter of minutes. This is not just convenient, it can save lives. These delivery drones are designed to be safe and quiet, carefully lowering their packages into a garden or onto a doorstep, making our lives much easier and more connected than ever before. Drones are also becoming expert inspectors, taking on dangerous jobs that people used to do. For example, checking long power lines or tall mobile phone towers was a risky task that required skilled workers to climb to great heights. Now companies like Infravision use drones equipped with high-definition cameras to do this work. The drones can fly very close to the power lines, taking detailed pictures that show any damage or problems. This means the job gets done faster, more cheaply, and most importantly, it keeps human workers safely on the ground. This same technology is used to inspect bridges, oil rigs, and large buildings, ensuring our infrastructure is safe for everyone. In the world of farming, drones are causing a revolution from the sky. Farmers can use drones from companies like HMAV to get a bird's-eye view of their fields. These drones have special cameras that can see more than the human eye, showing the farmer which parts of the crop need more water or fertilizer. This is called precision agriculture. It helps farmers use resources more wisely, which saves money and is better for the environment. Instead of treating the whole field the same, they can give each plant exactly what it needs to grow strong and healthy, leading to better food for all of us. Safety and emergency response is another area where drones are true heroes. When a fire, flood, or earthquake happens, drones can be sent in first to see what is happening. A company called Photokite makes drones that are attached to emergency vehicles by a cord, providing a constant eye in the sky for firefighters. These drones have thermal cameras that can see through smoke to find people who are trapped. This gives rescue teams vital information so they can plan their response and save lives. Drones from companies like Flyability can even fly inside damaged buildings, exploring dangerous spaces that are too risky for human rescuers to enter. Around the world, brilliant companies are creating new types of drones that can do amazing things. One of these companies is Wingcopter from Germany. They have built a very special drone that can take off and land straight up and down like a helicopter, but then fly very fast and far like an airplane. This unique design is perfect for delivering medical supplies like vaccines or blood samples to remote clinics quickly. The Wingcopter can travel up to 100 kilometers, which means it can connect distant communities with the medical care they need, overcoming challenges like mountains or poor roads that would slow down a regular vehicle. Another incredible innovator is a company called Percepto, based in Israel. They have created a drone-in-a-box system for industrial sites like power plants and mines. This means the drone lives in its own special box on the site, which acts as its landing pad and charging station. The drone can launch by itself, fly a pre-planned inspection route, and then return to its box to charge, all without a human pilot nearby. This system, called AIM, works around the clock to monitor the facility, using its cameras to spot any leaks, security issues, or equipment that needs repair, making these important industrial places much safer and more efficient. In the United Kingdom, a company named Dronamics is thinking big, really big. They are building enormous cargo drones like their Black Swan model that are designed to carry heavy goods. This drone can carry a payload of 350 kilograms, which is like carrying 3 or 4 people, for a very long distance of up to 2,500 kilometers. Their goal is to make it possible to deliver large items like machine parts or e-commerce orders on the same day, at a cost similar to road transport. This could completely change the logistics industry, making it faster and more environmentally friendly to move goods across countries and even continents. Meanwhile, a Swiss company called Flyability is focused on making drones that can go where others cannot. They build drones that are protected by a special cage, allowing them to fly in tight, complex spaces and even bump into things without crashing. This is extremely useful for inspecting the inside of a ship's ballast tank, a sewer pipe, or a collapsed building after an earthquake. These tough little drones can gather video and data from places that are too dangerous or impossible for humans to access. Flyability's technology is helping to keep workers safe and assisting rescue teams in locating survivors during critical emergency situations. As we look toward the future, the possibilities for drones seem almost endless. The innovations we see today are just the beginning of a much larger transformation. In the coming years, we can expect to see drones become even more integrated into our society, working alongside us as common helpers. Imagine fleets of autonomous drones managing city traffic from above, or tiny drones working inside hospitals to deliver medicine directly to a patient's room. The technology will continue to get smaller, smarter, and more powerful, allowing drones to perform even more delicate and complex tasks that we can only dream of today. One of the biggest areas of future growth will be in creating smarter and more connected drone networks. Soon, drones will be able to communicate with each other, working together as a team to complete a large project, like mapping an entire city or monitoring a large forest fire. Companies like Iris Automation are already developing advanced systems that allow drones to safely fly beyond the visual line of sight of the pilot, which is a key step towards full autonomy. This will lead to a sky filled with drones that operate safely and efficiently, managed by intelligent systems that ensure they all work together without problems. The way drones help our planet will also become more important. We will see more drones used for environmental conservation, such as planting trees in areas that are hard to reach, monitoring wildlife populations without disturbing them, or tracking ocean pollution. Drones with advanced sensors will be able to collect vast amounts of data about our environment, giving scientists the information they need to fight climate change and protect endangered species. These flying guardians will become essential tools in our efforts to build a more sustainable and healthier world for future generations to enjoy. Ultimately, the future of drones is a future of partnership. These flying machines will not replace people, but instead will empower us to achieve more. They will take over the dull, dirty, and dangerous jobs, freeing up human workers to be more creative, strategic, and focused on solving bigger problems. From helping a small farmer grow more food to assisting a doctor in saving a life, drones will continue to evolve into indispensable tools that enhance our abilities and improve our quality of life. The sky is no longer the limit, it is a new frontier of opportunity,